सफलता का प्रमाण है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of mechanization and industrialization projects worth around Rs 3,800 crores in Mangaluru today. Addressing the gathering, he said that these projects will increase the ease of living and employment in Karnataka, especially one district and one product scheme will facilitate the availability of market for the products of fishermen, artisans and farmers of the region. Observing the developments in the last 8 years, more than 3 crore houses have been built for the poor in the country and in Karnataka. The approval for more than 8 lakh Pakka houses for the poor have been given. Thousands of middle-class families have also been supported with crores of rupees to build their homes, the Prime Minister added.
इन प्रोजेक्ट से कर्नाटका में व्यापार, कारोबार को, उद्योग को और ताकत मिलेगी, ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस को बल मिलेगा। विशेष रूप से वन डिस्ट्रिक्ट वन प्रोडक्ट के तहत विकसित किए जा रहे कर्नाटका के किसानों और मछुआरों के उत्पादों को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बाजारों तक पहुंचाना और आसान होगा।